You know, sometimes you just want to kick it and chill on the bench. And sometimes you want to go ride Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. So I think we're going to go ride Rise of the Resistance after this. You want to go?
Always Star Wars.
Rebel scum, or are you the First Order?
I'm not Rebel scum.
First Order, always. All about the First Order. So I'll see you guys when we get over there. I know she's a rebel.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club. For the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.
Through the desert we go. Through the desert we are. All the way up here to Rise of the Resistance, because that's what's totally good in every awesome way. Let's go jump on in the lightning lane. I'm in some strange little first room so far.
Incoming transmission from Ray. Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. I and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Get doors opening now.
Let's go! We will be flying! Let's go!
Transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate green-white sequence on deck 3 for Pakara. Pakara personnel, this is your final call on board.
I am getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, First Order TIE fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I got some friends to make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, Nine? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas?
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, this ship is under the command of the First Order. All of you must disembark immediately and proceed on the hallway to your right for processing and interrogation. Get out. Now. One space over there to drive forward.
Oh, look at these friendly fellows. Oh, they look so happy and all joyful in their little white costumes. I think I just heard one of them sneeze. This is a super cool room though, for sure. And I guess we're going down here. Just another hallway. Almost there though.
Roll the ball, single file. How many? 7. Center line.
We're right here. Single file on the line now. Single file on the line. Wait here for further instructions. One line, single file.
And here we go again. Oh, delightful in the people that work here.
How many?
2?
Red. How many?
We are red. There's red all over the walls. And here we go, inside another little room. Different colors. Even though the red and the orange look very similar, but hey, it's a wall that has no other way through it. Ooh, buttons, let's push it. Didn't do nothing. All for the fun of it.
Beavers,
Yes, General.
enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
They left us alone. Ooh, let's find a way to escape. Wonderful padded room. Stuck in here.
With the Resistance, we're here to rescue you. Follow us quickly. We gotta go. Let's go. Find your colors. Blue and red on your left, blue in the front, red in the back.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, the doors of the breaker.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's no way to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about to
Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now.
I think I have that authority.
Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his phone.
More escape pods down in.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that POV of Rise of the Resistance. I mean, it's always a good time on there. You like totally can't ever go wrong with it. Like you never know what different interaction you're gonna have. Like sometimes like the First Order is like really in your face, and other times they're just kind of mellow like they were today. So I mean, it's always a good time depending on what side you pick, and you already know that I choose the First Order because that's just the way it should be. Well guys, thank you for watching this POV and little adventure video I made for the Rise of the Resistance today. And whatever you guys do, please like the video, please comment, and please subscribe to the channel because it just totally helps it out a lot more. So with that said, you never know what random adventure I'll visit next. Maybe I'll come back here to Star Wars. Maybe I'll go ride Mamba and make a POV for that. Or you know what? I'm really feeling like a trip to Adventureland, because it's always an adventure, even when you come here to Disney. Love you guys. Stay safe, beautiful, and amazing, and peace.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.